What's up, people? Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing good. This is Gufran, and you're watching Indian Grad in Germany. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. And without further delay, let's start with today's video. In today's video, I have with me Anish. He is studying in Hochschule Dortmund, Masters in Project Management. This course is quite unique as well as new, as most of the students are not aware of this course, and that's why I thought why not to invite him on this channel where he can share his experience related to this course, how he applied to this course, and many other questions. So, firstly, thanks, Anish, for joining the podcast session for today. And then let's start with your introduction.
Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Anish Dhamankar, and I'm I did my bachelor's in instrumentation engineering from Mumbai University. Yeah, I'm currently studying at Fachhochschule Dortmund and doing my master's in project management. And currently, I'm in Norway, doing my exchange semester in Trondheim, NTNU. And yeah, that's all about my introduction.
Yeah, that
Uh,
was pretty much, short introduction, and you covered it everything. But
yeah.
as you said, like when you came from India, so you didn't had any experience prior to coming to Germany.
So I had like two internships. One I had done during COVID times. It was a marketing internship.
Hmm.
So it was completely online, but it was from an UK-based company, startup. And then I had done second internship in one of my friends' business. It was also kind of marketing sales kind of thing. And third one was actually a full-time job, but I only did it for like 6 to 7 months because then I got admitted and then I came here. And
Hmm.
that job was about I used to like it was a technical job. So I used to create industrial automation programs, test it, go on industry, plant, sites, and
Okay. So from the very start, your inclination was towards management studies and subjects, right?
yeah,
Because
yeah,
according to your introduction, you said you did your bachelor's in instrumentation engineering, and then your
mm-hmm,
interest, or maybe because of the
mm-hmm,
internships, you did it all on
mm-hmm.
the direction of business studies. So, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So right, the thing was like when I was pursuing engineering, instrumentation engineering. So in instrumentation engineering, there are big companies like if you have heard about Pro and then
Mm-hmm.
like almost big, all the big companies. So they have their own project management offices. So
Okay.
then through there, I got the information that okay, so project management is a good field to
Mm-hmm.
pursue. And the thing about project management, which I personally like, is it is a very vast field. So if you are a project manager, you are not limited by any field or maybe what you can say any
Yeah.
industry.
True.
Project managers are needed almost everywhere, like in automotive, aviation. You name the industry, and there are always a project manager there.
Correct.
And
Yep.
the thing about which our professor said to us that the trend nowadays is, going towards like companies preferring more skilled project managers. In the past times, generally what they used to do was, hire any like maybe a senior engineer or maybe
Mm-hmm.
senior engineer as a project manager. But the thing
Yeah.
is, he has the knowledge of, all the technicalities, but not of project management
Okay.
and not as like what we say, just managing the things. Project manager has a lot of jobs to do, like managing the stakeholders, then create documents, handle those documents, at the same time look at those deadlines.
Yeah.
Even though these things sound simple right now, but trust me, they are
Yeah.
like they have like a big deal out of it.
When you were making this decision to search for courses related to project management, was Germany the only country in your head, or there were other countries as well, like US, Canada, Australia, or maybe different countries
Mhm.
in Europe?
Yeah, so when I was, planning to apply to Germany, my main focus was to, apply for techno management program.
Mm-hmm.
So like management was the first thing, but in Germany, yeah, Germany was the only country where I applied. I had
Okay.
no interest in going to US, UK, and because all of these controversies about it.
Yeah.
Like, so my goal was to come to Germany. So that's the first thing. And then only my focus was applying to German universities. But yeah, I also had like, I was looking for some techno management programs. So
Mm-hmm.
because I didn't want to be just do my master's in technical stuff. I also
Okay.
wanted to pursue the management side. Yeah. So I was just, still going around like which are the good universities. And in public universities, you don't pay any fees and everything. So
Okay.
My
Yeah.
goal was to get into public university.
Yeah, Germany is always a good option for people coming from
Yeah,
India
yeah,
because there are many things. Like first, we don't have to pay any tuition fees. The
yeah.
universities are globally
Exactly,
ranked. Then you have good
exactly.
education system. So overall, you get a good package
Yeah,
as a
yeah, yeah.
master student. And there is always uh, that self achievement that you did your studies free of cost. You don't have to pay any
Exactly,
fees and
exactly.
everything. So yeah, overall, I believe
Mm.
Germany is a good option. But then how you selected this course? So with this course and universities, you applied to other universities as well, or this was the only university and course you applied?
I applied to, I guess, around 12 universities, 12
Mm-hmm.
to 14, including the Technical University of Munich. But during that time, they had, you
Mm-hmm.
know, just upgraded their
Yeah.
admission criteria. So it was kind of tough to get into TUM, and I couldn't get into it. But I had also applied, I remember, to Ingolstadt. Then I had also applied to TU Berlin. I guess they also have some
Yeah.
program related to it. And I don't exactly remember, but if
Yeah.
anyone
But
is interested, I
mm-hmm.
can DM me. I can give you the Excel sheet which I have used. And
Okay.
so yeah, so it was not the only university,
Mm-hmm.
but yeah, I
But
eventually got into this.
yeah, so eventually you selected this course and university,
Hmm.
right? So what are the admission requirements for this course? And
Okay.
if a student wants to start from scratch, what will be the process?
Want to start from scratch? I will just give you the basic things.
Mm-hmm.
Later you can check on the website also. For me, it was like you should have good IELTS score. They have on the website, it said, I guess, only 6.0,
Mm-hmm.
but I will say just have more, a bit more, because it will be preferred, I guess.
Yeah.
And good IELTS. And yeah, if you have good CGPA, when I applied, the minimum requirement of CGPA was, I guess, 2.5 according to German grading system.
Mm-hmm.
But now they have, I guess, improved it to 2.1. So
Okay. Yeah.
take the latest one. So that's one thing. And then they have mentioned a list of subjects which they want you to see in in your transcript. If you have subjects related to IT, because I have a few seniors who are studying the same course and they are from IT background, completely IT software background.
Okay.
So it's better if you are from those backgrounds, and
Mm-hmm.
also if you're from management also it's okay. So
Okay. So
they
you
have.
should have like those specific modules in your bachelor's
Hmm.
transcripts.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, and also if you have any project management related experience, or maybe you can do some
Mm-hmm.
Coursera certification. So if they
Okay.
see that, okay, you will be able to understand these subjects and be a
Mm-hmm.
good project manager. So then maybe you could get into.
And what about people from in the bachelor's? What stream they should be from, like mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, or it is like all
Mm.
technical backgrounds can apply, all management backgrounds can apply. There is no restriction as
Well,
such.
yeah, there is no restriction as such, because I have one more friend who is studying with me in this course. He is from mechanical background.
Okay.
So yeah, it doesn't matter from which team you are applying, but I will say if you have some, management experience, or like for me, my example, I don't have any management experience in companies, but I was a vice president back in my student council in India.
Hmm.
So maybe that experience would have been helpful
Okay.
for.
Yeah. So it's always helpful to have some management experience in hand.
Yeah,
But
yeah, yeah,
yeah,
exactly.
as said by Anish, you can check the website for new rules and regulations for the admission because things may change every semester. So it's
Yeah,
better
exactly.
to
Yeah.
look at the updated rules and regulations. Coming towards the course structure, how the course structure is defined, how many subjects are there in each semester, and the course duration is of how many semesters.
So I will explain you all these things in detail. So the total for semesters are 4 semesters. In the first semester, you have like 6 subjects. In the second semester, you have 6 subjects. And in the third semester, then the third semester things change. Everything changes. So I will
Mm-hmm.
come to this point later. Start with the first semester. In first semester, you will be having all the basic subjects related to project management. So
Okay.
for a person who has zero experience in project management, or maybe you can consider a juvenile experience in project
Mm-hmm.
management, for people like us, they will start from scratch. Like what is exactly project management, foundations of
Okay.
project management, quality management standard, how application of project management is done in companies. So these are the some of the subjects on in the first semester,
Mm-hmm.
and in the second semester you will be a bit upgraded. So then you will be knowing about project management office, how it works, what are their duties, and also you will be having a subject known as leadership and teams, where you will learn how to control the teams and everything.
Okay.
Then, depending on the background, there are two streams into this course. If you are from management background, university will put you into that general management stream. And if you are from an engineering background like me, you will be put into IT project management. Only difference is of some subjects which IT people have to take compulsorily. In my case, I had chosen hybrid project management subject in
Mm-hmm.
my second semester, and which was like combination of agile methodologies and also at the same time
Okay.
waterfall and
Mm-hmm.
normal project
Yeah.
management
Yeah.
methodology. Yeah, and in the third semester,
Mm-hmm.
everyone has an option. I don't know about IT project management people, but you have three options. So one
Okay.
of in the same in the FH document itself. And then second option is you can do a compulsory internship if you like
Mm-hmm.
anywhere in the world. Internship abroad. Let's say. If you find
Okay.
internship in Germany, it's also good. In the third semester, and in the third thing is you can choose an exchange program like me.
Okay.
So and FH document helps you with everything, so you don't
And
have to
and
worry about it.
regarding the first option, it got skipped because of the network connection. So what was the first option, if you can again
Yeah.
clarify?
The first option is just continue studies in your home university. That is FH document itself.
Okay. So you
So
take
then you will
subjects in
go.
third semester and
Yeah,
you continue it
yeah,
there.
exactly. In third semester, you have only three subjects. That is one project thesis, which is
Mm-hmm.
compulsory for everyone except for general management people, and then two more electives, whichever you like.
Mandatory internship. So there is no mandatory internship in this course, right? It's optional, as you said.
It's optional. Yeah, it's optional. If you want, you can go take mandatory internship, but I'm not sure because there was some confusion among all our students that if only general management students can pursue
Mm-hmm.
this option,
Yeah.
or even as IT project management, we can also do this
Okay.
because we were having some issues with project thesis. So we had contacted our professors, and they
Mm-hmm.
were like, "No, if you are from IT project management, you have to do project."
Project thesis is kind of a mini thesis which you do in third semester, and then in
Yeah,
fourth
yeah.
semester you do the final
You do
master
master
thesis.
thesis. Yeah.
Can you also extend the course after 2 years? Like, is it flexible?
Yeah, you can take the course. Yeah, you can do it. But I don't know if anyone has done it because actually I want to extend it because I want to have some good experience of like work
Mm-hmm.
student or internship. So I'm planning to do it, but let's see. Like I don't know much about it. But I guess you
Okay.
can because it's Germany. So in Germany you can extend every course.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It is mostly possible in all
Yeah,
universities to extend the
yeah.
course. So we have talked about course structure, course requirements. Then, what about the job opportunities or part-time opportunities in Dortmund? First, we'll
So
talk on that, and then the second
okay.
part will be job opportunities after this.
As you're pursuing project management, there are many opportunities not in Dortmund, but around Dortmund. So if you
Okay.
see Dortmund on Google Map, it is situated around one of the most industrialized places. So from Dortmund, you are surrounded by Duisburg, Essen, then Cologne is very near.
Mm-hmm.
Then Bonn is also kind of near to Dortmund. So these are all places where you can find. Dusseldorf is very near. So these are all places where you can easily find jobs, part-time jobs. There are many part-time jobs.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, project management opportunities are also pretty much good here, I will say. But I guess you will need to complete at least three semesters or two semesters before
Okay.
getting into these jobs.
And then what about the odd jobs in Dortmund? Because you
Um,
do you have
mhm.
opportunities like maybe in
Yeah,
restaurant or something delivery and everything?
yeah. So you have all sort of things in Dortmund. So there are the first advantage is like you have two major big warehouses in Dortmund. One is
Mm-hmm.
Decathlon and other is Amazon.
Okay.
So I personally had worked for like around 5 or 6 months in Decathlon warehouse. So you can easily get a job there. It's very
Okay.
simple. And
Okay.
also there are many restaurant delivery
Mm-hmm.
jobs available in Dortmund. So it's
Okay.
not that hard to find a odd job. It's
Mm-hmm.
very easy.
And the alumni, as my next question comes up, is what about the alumni? who have graduated from this course? Are they working in Dortmund, or what about the opportunities they got after the course?
So I only actually knew only two seniors who have graduated from our course
Mm-hmm.
specifically.
Okay.
So one of my, like, she's my friend. She's working in some company as a in project management field itself.
Mm-hmm.
I exactly don't remember the company name. And other one is
Okay.
working in Unix. So you can find these opportunities in the entire Germany.
Yeah.
So it's not
Okay.
limited to one place. Like, you can find it
Mm-hmm.
anywhere.
Okay. What is the cost of living in Dortmund for a student?
Uh, Okay, so the thing was, like, for me, I used to spend around 700 euros,
Mm-hmm.
including rent, my health insurance, and etc. So it will come depending on your lifestyle,
Right.
obviously, but it will be around like 700. And the thing in Dortmund, which I don't like, was about around that you will not find any student accommodation there. That's the
Oh,
main issue. So I recently, like, after waiting for more than 1.5 years, I just recently got a mail after coming here to Norway that you will be getting a student accommodation. It's like useless now.
yeah.
So
But
that's the
for like
problem.
private apartment, you can get, right?
Yeah, yeah. Private apartments you can get. It's kind of tough as it is in entire Germany itself. But it's, yeah, for me, I was personally paying 414 euros,
Mm-hmm.
but because I used to live in a very, like, what we say, like, very near to city center.
Okay.
So city center was, I
So
would say, it's
we
super
can
convenient.
assume like it's not that much compared to Munich,
Yeah, yeah. No,
Berlin,
no, no,
Frankfurt,
no,
right?
no, no. Obviously not. You can, if say, if you are living in an apartment where it's like 330 euros
Mm-hmm.
rent, then you can easily square your monthly expenses up to 630 euros, I guess.
Okay. And you don't have tuition fees as well, right, for this course?
No, we don't have tuition fees, but we have semester contribution that is
Mm-hmm.
of 343 euros.
Okay.
But earlier it
And
was 319 euros. So for first
okay.
semester I just paid 319, but now I have to pay 343. And in the third
Okay.
semester I have not paid any fees because I
Uh-huh.
am now student of
Right, right.
Norwegian university. So
So
I
in
don't have
this
any
in
fees.
this 300 and something euros, your travel is also covered, or you need to buy a
Yeah, yeah.
Deutschland ticket on top of that?
Yeah, we have to buy the outstand ticket, but we call it 12 euro ticket. So we have to pay only 12 euros extra
Uh-huh.
for the
Okay.
Deutschland ticket. But the thing was, like, currently there is a student organization called ASTA. So
Mm-hmm.
they are actually protesting against this. So they are
Okay.
like, give it to us for free. So I don't know what happens now. But right
Okay.
now we used to pay 12 euros per month for Deutschland ticket. But it's
Okay.
fine. See, here in
Mm-hmm.
Dortmund, if you have your semester ticket, you can roam around the entire state for free. So it's not like
Oh,
in
okay.
Ingolstadt or Munich where you will be allowed only to roam around the
The
city.
city. Mm-hmm.
You can get on any train except for IC and ICE. You can
Yeah.
get on any
Yeah, that's
with
the
cycle, with,
advantage. Right, right.
yeah,
Yeah, this advantage is there for the people who are living mostly in NR way and then Frankfurt region,
yeah,
like
yeah,
Hessen and everywhere. There, you
yeah,
get this advantage, like you cover a broader area to travel for
border
this.
area, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. But that thing, like, there are not much things to say around in NR West, and there are two, three main spots,
Yeah.
good spots. But it's good. Like, at least you will be, you don't know. And also on
Right.
From Friday evening and Saturday, Sunday, you can also take plus one with you. So if you
Okay.
have, yeah, so if you have a girlfriend, friend, anyone, they can travel with you for free.
Ah, okay.
That's one advantage. Yeah.
And lastly, related to this course, one question that came up to my mind is related to diversity. Because
Mhm.
generally nowadays it is happening that in some universities your batch will be
Yeah,
covered
yeah,
of entire Indian students. So is it
yeah,
the
yeah.
same case for you, or you have diversity in it?
No, no. So that's the thing which I like the most about it because I don't know about the entire Germany, but in our course, we have a batch strength of around 23 students,
Mm-hmm.
and out of 23 students, we have like more than 20 nationalities studying with us.
Okay.
So there are only two Indians who are allowed in this course. So
Oh,
two or three,
okay.
max to max three, not about it. So that's why we
Right.
have students from like India, two, like, including India, then Pakistan, Bangladesh, then Poland, Mexican, Italian. to name the country, we have it. So
That's nice.
Chile. So that's the main thing because that's the purpose of our project management. Like
Right, right.
from right from start of the course, we are told that the reason why we have so much diversity is to you guys should interact with each other, find
True.
about your own culture. Also, there is one subject in our course in the second semester. It's called like international communication and change management.
Mm-hmm.
So in that course, that entire course is structured just to make you understand that, the things which are considered normative behavior for you as Indian may not
Mm-hmm.
be normal for Germans.
Yeah,
So Germans are, kind of, they're very straight faced. They like, do things on time. While
yeah.
we Indians are kind of sometimes a bit relaxed about deadlines and
Mm-hmm.
stuff. So then you can, have a fight when you work with German
Yeah.
colleagues. Similar things are changes
Yeah,
when you go to Italy and like things. So that's why we have a lot of diversity, and you can
yeah.
make friends from all
That's
around the world.
nice because and nowadays in most of the universities are
Mm,
getting populated with students from
exactly.
one
Yeah.
country. But this is good. Like you have
Yeah.
diversity, multinational students. Then
Yeah.
you can communicate. You can
Yeah.
share your culture that you bring with you, and that's nice. Then lastly, I would come to the conclusion of today's video, and I'll ask you what are the pros and cons or your feedback regarding this course, or maybe a general feedback or opinion that you would like to give to the students who want to come to Germany?
Considering this course, the feedback is like this is amazing course. Like I personally am in love with this course. Like if I ever got opportunity to do this course again, I will wholeheartedly do it again because of the diversity, the course, and our professors are like phenomenal. They all are like industry experience professionals who are teaching us.
Mm-hmm.
They also have background in engineering also. So they are like very good about it. And the thing is the course is structured in a way that you are made to interact with each other. So you don't like
Okay.
you have
Mm-hmm.
lots of projects, assignments, case study based learning. So that everything is really good. And I had no negative feedback as of now for this course because frankly speaking, I never thought like there is something missing in this course. But yeah, we can always improve.
Yeah.
But because like professors take all the effort to, you know, make
Mm.
people come from other
Yeah.
like industries to talk with you and stuff. They sometimes also share some jobs, work student jobs with you if they have like if one
Mm-hmm.
of their colleagues wants to,
Yeah.
want some work student job. So they also help you in getting jobs. But yeah, you have to be sincere enough to,
Right.
be. And for any Indians who are coming to Germany, like I will say just no, I know there are like currently they have started to get this what is called?
APS.
There is APS, yeah. So I know many of my friends and juniors are crying because of it. Like, but trust me, this is everything is worth it. So if you are getting a chance to study in German university, please come and give your best. Things will fall in place.
Right.
And learn German. That's my thing.
Overall, yeah, I believe you don't have any negative points related to this course, so we can
No,
consider this
yeah,
course as good for people who
yeah,
want to learn project management, or maybe if you want to start your career in management, then you can also apply to this course.
yeah,
So,
exactly.
yeah, then thanks, Anish, for sharing your feedback
Uh,
and general opinion for this course. And yeah, for the people who want to ask questions, then Anish is already available on LinkedIn. You can definitely reach out
yeah,
to
yeah,
him.
yeah. You can always find me on LinkedIn, Instagram,
Yeah,
anytime.
sure. Thanks, Anish.
Yeah, thank you so much for inviting me, Gufran.
Yeah,
And I'm very happy that you are doing this thing so that because I used to follow. I'm following you from like a long time, and your videos are very helpful. So thanks for that.
yeah. Okay, thanks.